Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So this is a collaboration video with Teexpert. They kindly sent me this resin curing machine. Let's start. These are the two knobs. One is for the temperature setting and this one is for the timing. And this is basically a very good curing machine, and it's my first time using a resin curing machine. I haven't tried any before. So as you can see, there are 3 trays that come with the set, plus you get this extender with the where you can place your high objects. So I will be doing different experiment with this machine using different height projects. For today I will be using my holographic coasters. So these are the holographic mold, and I am really happy with the quality. I will link it in the description. As soon as I saw them in the listing, they captured my heart and I had to buy them. So in the instructions, they say to place your molds directly into the tray to avoid the spilling or any sort of damage, any movement. So this is my resin. It's 1:1 low viscosity resin by Teexpert, and I added black pigment to my resin, as this holographic effect is beautiful as itself, so I don't want to add any other effects. So simply pouring the black resin inside. So these 4 molds almost take around 250 ml of resin. So this is my first time, as I explained, using any curing machine. So I really don't know what will be happening, but I'm really excited. So I have poured my resin into the molds and I had some bubbles. So I will be removing it with the heat gun. Sorry, with the torch, not the heat gun. But you can use a heat gun. It's really up to you. Or you can use alcohol. So now I will be putting up the lid. And let's start cooking. So it's really easy. I will setting the temperature to 70. This knob will, as it's explained in the label, that you can see its temperature on the right side and on the left side. It's really up to you. I will be giving it a 2 hours. So I went to the temperature of 60 and 2 hours. See you after 2 hours. So this is after 2 hours and I have removed the lid, and as you can see, it's all hard. So before going any further, I wanted to show you the resin that is in my cup. But the condition of this resin is it's a bit thick, but it's not cured. So this is the same resin that I have poured into my molds, and this resin is not cured, but my coaster are all cured up. So just wanted to show you the difference here. So it's now time to demold. I am really super excited to demold these. Really, you can see the molds are so pretty themselves. So this is the first one. I just want to add that as soon as the curing machine stops, it goes to a cooling mechanism, and when the cooling mechanism stops, it's ready to demold. The quality of these molds, they are amazing, and plus the effect they are giving, I really recommend these molds. Even not really highly recommend, you can say. And you can use any dark color. I just used black here, but you can use purple, red, really up to you. And so this one was a unique pattern that I haven't got in my collection. I really love it. And this one is another new one. Really loving them. So my experience with the resin curing machine is 100%. I am really happy with it, and in 2 hours my coasters were ready to demold. So I highly recommend you, and I have a discount code also available for you from Teexpert. So if you're interested to buy and make a purchase, I will recommend you to buy from them. So I hope you like this video and this experiment. So like, subscribe and share, comment if you like the video, and thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.